first thing you notice when you walk through the doors at Bendsen Signs in Decatur, Illinois, is order. It doesn't matter if it's the office door you open, the shop door, or the door to the side compartment of the van ladder. Everything is clean and in its place.
Our best advertising is our trucks on job sites. You can spend money on newspapers or magazines or whatever, but it's the people that I run into that say, hey, I saw your trucks out on a job, and impressed how clean they are or whatever, so that's always been a stickler for me, to make sure our trucks look clean and professional and don't embarrass you, because that is who your advertisement is. So.
Yeah.
And that truck does a nice job for looking good on the job site.
I asked Tom to take me back to his decision to purchase the van ladder.
When I started looking for a new truck, I was kind of torn as to what I really wanted. We've got several larger trucks that we use, and at the same time I also had a small van that we would also use around here. And at the end of the day, the ease and operation of a van with one man in it ended up showing me that that's also a very profitable way to go. And even though it was just being used mainly for service jobs, when I saw the van ladder, I noticed that it could be more than just a service truck, that it could be an install truck. And nowadays efficiency is key, because just the way the times are, and fuel, and being able to pull up to a job and not deal with the riggers. I saw that I felt like there was some great opportunity for one guy to do a lot of work, and create more profit for the company and be much more efficient. But at the same time, I really like the space inside the truck, and get the right guy in that thing, and he can set up an office in there. And in fact, we put a table in there, a fold-up table, so that when he wants to work with vinyl, he can get in the dry and turn the lights on and do whatever he needs to do.
Dustin is the right man for this truck. As an experienced electrician, he splits his time between service and installation, handling smaller installs that don't require a two-man bucket or a crane. Today he installed a logo and a set of channel letters at an area church. Hanging a 6-foot pattern can be tricky for one person, but Dustin used the pattern arms to hold the paper in place, freeing his hands to tape and level.
I like the fact that I can get my pattern started by setting up, getting it level, getting it where I need it to be, and then getting it started, getting it taped, and then I'll take one side off, able to start leveling it off a little bit better, tape it off more, and then just tape the whole pattern off, and I can get rid of the arms out of the way.
While Dustin hung the pattern and drilled the holes, his partner for the day, Dave, prepped the sign. Once the holes were in place, Dustin began installing and Dave pulled wires into the building. Bendsen prides itself in field efficiency. It's a major focus for Tim Lilpop, Bendsen's operations manager.
Yes, I started off as head of the production, or head of the installation crew. I kind of worked my way up the ladder, and if guys don't understand how to produce to make jobs easier for the guys in the field, it becomes harder for the guys in the field. Serviceability has to be key in production, because if they're not serviceable, it not only doubles our time in the field, it doubles our customers' bill in the field. And the more service-friendly things are, the quicker things go.
As you can see, Bendsen Signs and Graphics really works hard to be efficient. And we're happy to play a part. We'd be happy to play a part in your efficiency plans too.